Woodworking enthusiasts seeking unmatched precision and workflow efficiency recognize Woodpecker as the gold standard of craftsmanship innovation. Their exceptional reputation stems from creating tools that enhance not only project accuracy, but also the woodworker's overall experience and satisfaction. From master craftsmen to novice hobbyists, Woodpecker's newest collection provides valuable upgrades for artisans at every skill level. Join us as we explore 10 groundbreaking woodpecker tools that are generating excitement throughout the woodworking community. We'll examine everything from ingenious measurement devices to revolutionary time-efficient fixtures and accessories. Now, let's discover these workshop game changers that are redefining what's possible at the workbench. The Woodpecker's SFB Pro Universal Router Table Fence is a clear step forward in precision woodworking tools. This new version builds impressively on its predecessor by adding two innovative features: a full fence micro-adjustment system and a universal mounting system that fits nearly any router table. These are not just minor tweaks. They directly address long-standing user feedback, making the SFBRO Universal more versatile and user-friendly than ever. The inclusion of a third micro-adjuster to shift the entire fence is a particularly smart addition, allowing for ultra-precise alignment that professionals and serious hobbyists alike will appreciate. With 1mm pitch screw feed adjustment and 0.001 in micrometer dial graduations, users can dial in settings with remarkable accuracy. On top of that, Woodpeckers has maintained their hallmark low-profile solid folic base while improving accessibility to the adjustment knobs. Add in the improved dust port for better airflow and reduced interference. And it's clear this isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a full evolution. The best part, every adjustment can be made tool-free using ratcheting levers and knurled knobs, streamlining the workflow and reducing downtime. Overall, the SFBRO Universal isn't just the most capable fence Woodpeckers has made. It might be the best on the market for anyone serious about router table performance. The Woodpecker's Mini Indexable System is a versatile and compact tool that brings precision and ease of use to a variety of woodworking tasks. One of the standout features of this system is the laser-cut scribing guides, which are spaced every 1x16 in or 1mm on the metric versions. These guides are designed to perfectly capture a pencil tip, enabling highly accurate parallel scribing. The spring-loaded index pin adds an extra level of convenience, allowing the head to be locked at any full inch, providing a true starting point for precise measurements. The smooth angle adjustment of the mini protractor head paired with a crisp laser engraved scale makes angle marking straightforward with an easy-to-read index pin system. Additionally, the mini centering head enhances accuracy by locating the center of both square and round stock, making it an essential tool for precise alignment. The system also includes a unique feature of a shoulder on the square that keeps the head in position, eliminating the need for multiple hands to secure the tool. The Mini Indexable System is designed to be flexible and efficient, offering various blade and head combinations to cater to different needs. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this system's precision, ease of use, and adaptability make it a highly valuable addition to any toolkit. Woodpecker's folding saddle squares are an outstanding innovation for anyone serious about precision joinery. Traditional layout tools often demand a steady hand and a fair amount of luck to transfer lines accurately around corners, something that becomes especially frustrating when working on tenons or cross-dowel joints where exact face and edge alignment is critical. These folding squares simplify that process dramatically. With only 2 placements instead of 4, they allow users to mark shoulder lines and cheek cuts with consistent precision, eliminating the margin of error that can lead to misaligned joints. Their ability to wrap perfectly around corners, even those with angles greater than 90 degrees, makes them incredibly versatile for projects ranging from angled bridle joints and chairs to spline layouts on hexagonal boxes. Woodpeckers has clearly prioritized accuracy and ease of use in their design. Each square, whether the larger 1.5 or the compact 1-inch version, features a joint engineered to stay perfectly in plane, thanks to post-assembly CNC milling and a hinge that eliminates lateral play while maintaining smooth adjustability. That means you're not just getting a folding square, you're getting a precision-milled straight edge that bends to your material. In short, the folding saddle square isn't just a convenience. It's an innovation in the pursuit of flawless joinery. The Woodpecker's routine stands out as a pinnacle of precision and thoughtful design in the world of hand tools. Unlike traditional router planes that suffer from crude depth adjustments and limited flexibility, this tool addresses long-standing frustrations with innovative engineering. The thumb wheel depth adjustment system eliminates backlash, making it remarkably easy to achieve an exact depth of cut. A game changer for fine woodworking. But what truly sets it apart is its unparalleled versatility. With 3 mounting positions for the blade mechanism and multiple blade orientations, it adapts seamlessly to a variety of tasks, allowing for optimal control, even in tight corners or challenging grain directions. The robust, ductile iron base finished with a black nitride coating ensures durability, reduced friction, and corrosion resistance, while the perfectly lapped and polished blades arrive ready for immediate use. Every detail, from the comfortable handle placement to the ability to attach custom or pre-made fences, reflects Woodpecker's commitment to precision and usability. Whether you're refining a dado or cleaning up the bottom of a groove, this router plane offers a level of control that both seasoned craftsmen and beginners will appreciate. In a world increasingly reliant on machines, the Woodpecker's router plane proves that hand tools, when designed with care and innovation, still have an essential role in achieving top-tier craftsmanship. The Woodpecker's 6-in-1 shop gauge is a brilliant example of precision engineering meeting real-world woodworking needs. This tool isn't just a clever gimmick. It's a versatile, reliable solution that tackles multiple layout and measuring challenges with ease. With 6 distinct functions, ranging from setting saw blade and router bit depths to perfectly centering a workpiece for marking, it eliminates the guesswork and inconsistency that often come with using separate, less accurate tools. What truly sets it apart is the gear rack mechanism that locks the gauge in precise 1x32 in or 1 millimeter increments, ensuring absolute accuracy without constant remeasuring or second-guessing. The ability to switch between imperial and metric measurements just by flipping the racks is another thoughtful touch, especially valuable for those who work cross-systems. Its larger adjustment range makes the shop gauge ideal for bigger setups while still offering the fine-tuned usability required for detail work. The built-in features like the VB block for drill bit stop collars and the sliding blocks marking notch show how much attention Woodpeckers has paid to usability and detail. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a meticulous hobbyist, the 6-in-1 shop gauge enhances workflow, saves time, and improves the quality of your results. It's not just a tool, it's 6 tools in one. Precision engineered to make your work smarter, faster, and better. First up, the Woodpecker's Joiner Sled is a problem solver for woodworkers who are tired of sacrificing precious shop time building custom jigs for every new project. Its thoughtful design addresses one of the most frustrating aspects of woodworking setup. With a wide range of adjustment and clamping options, this sled is adaptable to nearly any project, large or small, basic or complex. The ability to keep joints square or shift to angles that traditional jigs can't manage adds an impressive level of versatility. What really sets it apart, though, is the silky smooth micro adjustment feature that allows you to precisely dial in your cuts, ensuring accuracy without constant trial and error. The patented leaf spring miter bar adds another layer of convenience, fitting snugly into any standard 0.37 by 0.75 and miter gauge slot without hassle. But perhaps the most compelling feature is the sled's dual compatibility. It transitions seamlessly between table saws and router tables. This kind of flexibility means one tool can replace several, cutting down on clutter and setup time. In an age where efficiency in the workshop matters just as much as precision, the Joinery Sled doesn't just perform, it performs flawlessly. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an avid hobbyist, the Joinery Sled is more than just a tool. It's a solution that lets you focus on your craftsmanship instead of wasting time on jig construction. Woodpeckers cutting board kits offer an excellent opportunity for both novice and experienced woodworkers to create high-quality cutting boards with ease. With two primary options, the deluxe and small cutting board kits, these bundles make it simple to jumpstart a project without the hassle of gathering individual components. The deluxe kit in particular stands out with its comprehensive selection of tools and templates, including the benchtop board Mill XL, large and small cutting board templates, and specialized bits for juice grooves, finger grooves, and even bowl recesses. This extensive package allows for precise, professional results without needing to purchase additional tools. What's particularly appealing is the money-saving aspect of these kits. They bundle together essential items like premium double-sided tape, template guide bushings, and specialized routing bits, ensuring that all the necessary components for creating a cutting board are right at your fingertips. This approach not only saves money, but also eliminates the frustration of sourcing each item individually. For beginners, the small cutting board kit offers a more accessible entry point, providing a simpler yet still effective set of tools to craft stunning boards. Overall, these kits provide a user-friendly and efficient way to create custom cutting boards with a professional finish. If you're seeking precision and smooth operation in mortise and tenon construction, Woodpecker's ultra-shear variable Helix joinery bits are an excellent choice. These bits are specifically designed to meet the demands of furniture construction, offering diameters that align with common mortise and tenon sizes. One of their standout features is the extra-long cut lengths, allowing for deep-reaching cuts and the ability to create through tenons with ease. What truly sets these bits apart is the unique variable helix design. The bit's spiral angle starts shallow at the tip, which minimizes self-feeding during plunging and prevents chatter, a common issue when working with long tenons or one-sided cuts. As the helix angle increases towards the shank, the bits excel in chip removal, ensuring a cleaner cut and a smoother finish. This is especially beneficial when working with machines like the multi-router or pantrouter, as the bits have been optimized for these tools with sizes that are most often used in joinery. With minimal chatter and impressive dimensional consistency measured in thousandths of an inch, the ultra-shear bits provide precision that most woodworkers strive for in their projects. Overall, these router bits offer both reliability and performance, making them a valuable investment for anyone working on intricate woodworking joints. Moving on, Woodpecker's 3D setup blocks are useful for precision woodworking, combining multiple tools into one brilliantly engineered solution. What makes them stand out is their multifunctionality. Each block offers 4 distinct ways to measure a single dimension, which streamlines setup processes and reduces tool clutter. The center cutout is a standout feature, perfect for accurately setting blade and bit heights, especially on router tables. Combined with the stepped shoulder, it simplifies fence and depth adjustments on various machines like the table saw and drill press. Unlike traditional setup blocks that only rely on uniform thickness, these blocks offer varied features without compromising accuracy. The camel's hump design is equally clever. Used upside down, it makes checking the depth of dose and grooves incredibly easy. Thoughtful details like corner relief cuts rather than restrictive radiability in tight spaces add to that the precision-milled construction and anodized finish for durability and reduced friction, and you have a tool that's as rugged as it is reliable. A bonus bevel angle on each block, ranging from 90 to 30 degrees, eliminates guesswork when setting saw blades or miter angles, further expanding their usefulness. Altogether, the Woodpecker's 3D setup blocks replace a drawer full of measuring tools with a sleek, organized, wall-mounted system that puts precision right at your fingertips. For any serious woodworker, this setup is more than just a convenience. It's a leap forward in shop efficiency and accuracy. Anyone working on small-scale woodworking projects, Woodpeckers MicroSquares can be a great solution for them. These compact tools pack all the precision of full-size squares into a design that fits easily in your hand or your pocket. The micro combination square and micro double square are more than just miniature versions of traditional tools. They're purpose-built for detail work. Whether you're checking 90 or 45 degrees angles, laying out intricate joinery, or adjusting machinery, these tools deliver unmatched accuracy and convenience. The ability to switch effortlessly between the half-in and ultra-slim quarter-in blades means you can tackle both broad layout tasks and tight dovetail sockets without missing a beat. The stainless steel construction and brass clamping knob ensure durability, while the included wall-mountable racket keeps the tools accessible and organized. What really sets these squares apart is how naturally they become a part of your workflow. They're small enough to live in your apron pocket, yet precise enough for the most demanding tasks. In a shop full of tools that promise precision, the MicroSquares actually deliver, especially in the tight spots where larger tools simply don't fit. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a hobbyist obsessed with clean joinery, these little tools will earn their keep in no time. So that's a wrap on the 10 new, amazing Woodpeckers tools for woodworking.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.